Hi, my name's Genevieve Herdegen. I'm a senior in high school, and this year I have been doing an internship about the impacts of balloons in the environment. The mass releases of balloons are done usually to celebrate an event such as weddings, memorial services, and sporting events, or to promote something such as store openings or sales at car dealerships. As they rise, balloons may or may not burst, but eventually all balloons and their attachments return to Earth, landing in the ocean, inland water bodies, or on land. Evidence shows that a portion of these balloons and their attachments cause harm to wildlife through entanglement and ingestion. Balloon litter is unique in two ways. It is planned litter, and an entire industry defends and promotes the mass release of balloons. Evidence of ingestion of balloons is well documented, especially by marine biologists who work to protect and conserve sea turtles. From these documented cases of ingestion, it is clear that many wildlife species mistake balloons as food. Documentation also shows that ribbons attached to balloons have entangled animals, especially birds. It is not only marine animals that are affected by balloons, but land animals have also been affected. A farmer once barely saved a baby lamb on his farm from choking on a balloon that had entangled it, but the farmer was able to rescue the baby lamb just in time. Balloons can travel great distances, so balloons released inland have the ability to reach the ocean. For example, a balloon was released from Japan in the 1998 Olympics opening ceremony, and it was found in Los Angeles 49 hours later, 5,300 miles away. The balloon industry defends the release of latex balloons by arguing that latex is biodegradable, latex decomposes as quickly as an oak leaf, and that professional balloon releases never include plastic attachments. The balloon industry is trying to prevent the use of plastic discs, valves, ribbons, and attachments in releases, but many of the balloon releases that we have learned about over the past year have, however, involved balloons which have some sort of plastic attachment. It appears that the balloon industry has been successful in leading the public into thinking that biodegradable is the same as safe, and that safe is the same as environmentally friendly. The fact is, biodegradable items can still be considered litter and can still be harmful to animals. Biodegradable is not the same as digestible. Like many marine debris issues, solutions can be found in education, legislation, and innovation. A new international group, Alliance for Balloon Education, or ABE, is dedicated to work on these. Anyone who has ever planned or participated in a balloon release should be educated as to the harm they can cause. A few states in the U.S. have banned the mass release of balloons, and efforts should be made to pass and enforce similar laws worldwide. There are many innovative alternatives to the mass release of balloons, which include planting a tree or wildlife garden, dropping balloons, blowing bubbles, or popping balloons in unison. With all of the harm that releases can have on the environment and the alternatives to releases, why not stop them? So the next time you hear someone mention a balloon release, planning a balloon release, or see a balloon release about to take place, remember the harm that releases can cause and the many alternatives. The environment thanks you.